do my little check-ins over by the tree because it's Christmas and that's cuter. It's like 3:30. Dad, I believe is... What? I have one dog down here. I have Winifred. So we're gonna, today is, I was gonna say today is December 1st. No, today's November 27th. We're getting ready. We're gonna go pick up Bro from school, back to school, back to school. And then we're gonna go to Costco and we're gonna do just little things. And then tomorrow me and Dad are gonna run all the errands we have to run to prepare for Kenzie's birthday. Yeah? Copper, come get a treat. And then Dad's gonna grace us with his presents in 2 seconds. Get your ass over here, Brian. Look, it's me and Dad. He saw me getting ready, and so he snapped and made this. I don't know why you would want to hurt my feelings and make me feel like your outfit's cuter than mine, because it's cuter than mine.
We're green and red.
Oh, that's fun. Click. Go shopping with Dad for chicken at Costco. Dad, say your middle name.
Carl. I already have one.
Look at this cute thing. I buy these chopsticks, and it's normally 2 for $5, and this is like 100 for like $10. What? Yes, Chobani. It's just happening with familiar faves. Dad, what do you want, honey? What's your Costco wish?
I didn't get anything.
I know, dear. A lady just walked past us and she went like this. But it wasn't at us. It was just like in the world.
She was like at the air.
The best part of the day is being in all the Christmas lights. Want to smell like me? This is what I'm wearing today, Dee Dee. Have you tried my new one?
Yes, I did smell it.
Look at the dogs of music. Alexa, louder. Winnie, Winnie. Winnie is such a pig for food. Watch her. Wait, stand back. Watch her try to run towards the bowl.
She do it. She's not doing it. Go
Do it.
What is she doing? Oh, I love it.
Try to wait. Oh, Winnie. Now grab her.
What is she doing? She was
literally doing it like
She was going
100%.
silly.
Are you doing a TikTok to the chickens?
No.
Welcome to Dad's kitchen. I'm putting an apron on because Dad asked for my help in cooking.
Correct.
He wants me to strain the vegetables. So, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Dad, is that all I need to do?
That's it, and then you can put them back in the pot.
I don't need to use a strainer, right? Just kind of like
Not necessarily.
a wooden spoon. How does that look?
Perfect.
We don't normally entrust Dee anything to do with the food that nourishes and strengthens our bodies. However, Dad's being cute and letting me help. So I'm going to show you how to make rice. This is 2 cups of rice, half teaspoon leveled. How
And then
much?
pepper, as much as you want.
Okay.
I always do a lot.
I'm going to better look at this. If you can't make your rice in a rice cooker, what is an option that one might have?
On the stove and pot,
What makes the rice cooker different than the stove?
you don't have to do anything except put it in and click a button.
Okay, so then what you need to do this, stab, stab. God, this is what you do behind the scenes that I eat?
It's not that hot because it's on warm, so you
Am
can
I
kinda
allowed to
hold
do this?
Yeah, but you gotta make sure you really scoop all the way down into the
Oh
corners.
yeah, it smells good. So anyways, this is Dad's famous rice. Salt, pepper, butter, a little bit.
Thank you for straining my veggies. Look at that, I get to put them right on the plate.
I hope I did it right. There's not a big puddle at the bottom. And voila, we are healing our... Hey, man.
And Dad knows how to debone things.
Yes, he knows how to debone a chicken. And we're healing our bodies from the damage we did over Thanksgiving break. We... Wait, can dragon dogs eat chicken?
D,
What?
hold my hand. Dee always takes off his jewelry
Oh, that's a good
when he eats. Everywhere.
How'd you notice that?
Not everywhere. In public, you don't take off your wedding ring.
No, I never do.
But he takes off his watch. But yeah, he always takes off his wedding ring when we eat. Isn't that funny? Oh, don't mind my crumbs. We are arm wrestling.
Even Steven?
This is for real. No breaks.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Wait, you have to go. 1, 2. You and Dad do that next.
You guys lock 3, 2, 1, go.
Why are you strong? Oh my God, Dad, I can't. What the hell?
Get her, Dee.
Ah!
Get her, Dee.
Why is what?
You can't push
Why is she so strong? Try this, Dad. Oh my God. Ah! Ah!
Destroy each other.
What? I'm like turning red. Okay, you can win. Oh my God. That was literally 100% authentic. That is crazy.
3, 2.
No, Dad, she's strong.
No, you can't do it. Dee has to do it.
3,
2.
1, go.
See, you're strong.
Don't give up.
I'm like shaking. Okay.
No, Dad, watch her resistance.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
And Dee said, "Let there be light."
We grew up at home, you and I, more than our
Yes,
siblings did.
that's true.
And so we grew up watching Disney movies.
Yeah,
and
we did.
like Fern Gully and The Prince of Egypt and Anastasia. There's a few other Disney animated movies that came out at that time, you know,
Yeah.
Thumbelina. But nobody was like Disney until
No, they weren't.
DreamWorks and crap.
God, this looks so good, but I wish I knew how to make Dad's famous chicken salad.
Hey guys, I know a lot of you have been wondering, like, how do you make chicken salad? Maybe just one person, but I'm gonna do it because we eat it every day. Well, not every day, like every 3 days. 4 stalks of celery, and Dee doesn't like his celery in big pieces, so I put it in my little baby food processor and chop it up. Boom. So these, normally I will cook my own chicken, but Dee and I got 2 of the rotisserie chickens from Costco yesterday, and I took this one apart. So just cut it into big chunks. I take it and just kind of crumble it, unless you like it that size. Just kind of crumble it in. Normally I'll cook it and then I shred it up like with 2 forks, but this is so soft, so it just kind of crumbles to pieces. And then for 2 chicken breasts, that is about maybe like a half a cup mayo, pepper, and just yellow mustard, maybe a tablespoon. I don't do anything fancy. I like grapes and apples and all that kind of stuff in mine too sometimes, but Dee does not, so we just do it very simple. And we don't eat it on a sandwich, we just eat it with like chips. Sometimes we eat it with the sandwich. Usually we just eat it with chips or like tortilla chips. There you go. Super easy.
I felt like being closer to Chip today. Hi, it's Tuesday. I felt like being closer to Chip. So, we're filming at a different angle today, okay? Just to give you some perspective. Oh, and Winnie wants to knock the tripod over. Don't knock the tripod over, Winnie. It's Tuesday today. Kenzie has dance, so me and, oh, Dad put the gifts from Maryland under the tree for Kenzie to see when she gets home. So sweet. I'll show you that in 1 sec. What, Chip? What are you trying to say?
Bryan, you are so sexy.
So while Kenzie's at dance, we're gonna go get balloons, wrapping paper, create a theme, pick up the cake ingredients. Tomorrow is her last official day of being 11 years old. Then I'm gonna have a 12-year-old. We're doing a quick opening of a package from Sweet Maryland, and look at this. Aww. Oh my gosh, so sweet. There's gifts under the tree from Maryland. Isn't that so sweet? From across the sea?
Thank you.
Worlds apart? Marilyn, you are such a sweetheart.
These are so cute. I'm gonna use these every morning for my makeup.
Oh my gosh, and these socks? Look at how cute. Thank you so much. Yeah, we are. Oh, I like that one.
Oh.
A cat sweater. Look at this.
The other day I was like, Mina,
Y'all
these
make
sweater.
me just so amazed by your kindness.
Right.
You have no idea. You have no
They are
idea.
gonna-
They're gonna freak out. They're in their cages right now, so they don't like come get in the mix of it all. But ooh, this is all from the UK, bro. Oh my god.
Mint humbug. Yeah.
Everybody grab a bonbon. So you're gonna try it? Wait. 1, 2, 3. Everlasting go. Oh. This is right up my alley. I love firm candy.
That's good. It's like strawberry, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All I have to say is, you're the one.
No.
Oh, I wasn't recording. But what I said was, we are diving into everything. Literally. He is so ready for this. All right, racers. On your mark. Get set.
Go.
Go.
Go, Winnie, go.
Winnie, get it.
Oh, they love her. When you go to the cage. Oh, they love it.
Now, Dad's Christmas tour. Angels we have heard on high, twinkling in the night sky. Come this way, and Dad will see good luck in our house. Dad, put Jack up here. Steal Christmas. See, it's a nightmare theme. Oh, I'm coming. Gloria. Who is Gloria, Dad? Esteban. This is gonna be like a core memory, me and Kimo. 14 years old and a fashion icon on YouTube.
Oh my
Okay, I gotta get a picture, hold on. Oh my gosh, I have never seen, what's 14 times 7, or what's cat ears?
Alexa,
You look
14,
so
7.
cute! I said I feel old because Kenzie's gonna turn 12. Tomorrow's your last day of being 11, by the way. Hope you know that. How do you feel about ending this year of 11 years old?
Good.
What are you looking for 12? Being an odd number? Even number?
Even number, Dee.
Hi, okay, so right now, this is Dad. He's right there, he's humming. There's a fact about Dad. Cut! Dad hums a lot. He doesn't sing. Like, it's very rare that we get his beautiful voice. He hums a lot, I whistle a lot. So, I'm taking this baby boy, and we're gonna go to Target to get some enchilada stuff for dinner. And then we're gonna get maybe some Christmassy gifties, and then we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby to design the scheme for Kenzie's 12th birthday. So, okay. Aw, Dad just said he loves Brittany's my only wish this year. I need some WD-40 for my door. You hear that? But we're going to Super Target. Your dad was craving enchiladas, so he's going to make some enchiladas with beans. Oh boy. And rice.
What if I do?
That's hot. I need all of this stuff. There's no adults around, so I can actually do what I want to do. Oh, Star, I love you.
Oh,
Stars to guide me. Ooh. I love the beach voice, but that's cute that they have that here. Does any of you use a record player? Give me your feedback. Dad and me kind of want to get one. Put our records on. Tell us. I know, that's what I was getting the camera out for. Isn't that fun?
Steamboat
I would
wheel.
so get that. If you were a teenager in the early 2000s, you know what this is. Hey, it's cozy hour. Doesn't the house look so cute with the lights off and the house lights off, but the Christmas lights on? And we just met the most amazing friends in Hobby Lobby. We love you guys so much. That made our day. Did you may I have this dance? Watch it. No, keep the dance going until I pass you off to Dad. Ready?
The dogs. Shit. Whoa!
Dad, no, I passed you off to Dad. I didn't do that. You tripped. Okay, so first, let's dismiss this bitch. But look, today's November 28th, and look at what I have on here. Vlogmas day 1, 2, 3, and 4. Aren't we proud of me?
These taste like fancy, like, what are those called? Welch?
Yeah.
watches around?
Yeah, they're so good. I'm like speechless. So we're waiting for Dad. Dad's showering. And then we're gonna eat dinner a little late tonight because we're busy. But look, all these treats that Miss Marilyn sent us. I'm eating these because I'm like so hungry. Yeah, Kenzie loves it. We've got all the treats you sent us just all over the house. And Dad put these ones over here. So thank you for making our home a little bit more merry. Kenzie's studying, so I have to be quick. But this is my jammies of the day. Toy Story. Joe, we did it. I'm scared. These are amazing. Dad made red enchiladas. Dad made beans. Dad made rice. What?
Joe, we did it. I'm scared.
Oh, I don't know. It was a mashup of stupid things in my head. Anyways, this is what Dad made for dinner. Yum. Wait, take it away. You're the only dogs I've got on my list. Go outside. Remember that my husband Bryan did this? Oh. Hey, bro. Dad, we have 2 minutes to film this fact, and then I think we can watch Salt Lake Live.
We can watch Salt Lake Live. Look how cute they are with our new toy. Okay.
Go. I'll ask the question. I'll ask the question. You answer.
Okay.
What religion were we both raised our whole life?
Mormon.
Yeah, we were.
Like legit.
How many days have we ever spent apart since we got married?
0.
What is our zodiac sign?
Aries.
How many days apart is our birthday?
7.
Who is older?
You are.
By how many years?
4 years.
What other ones? Those are good ones though, right?
Those are great ones.
What other ones?
Who's taller?
Wait, no, stand up. This is Dad, he's 6'1" and I'm 5'9". This is a back to back. Wait, no, that's a bad hair side, so I'm just gonna go like this. There. Those were good ones though, right? Yeah, and careful with those chocolates.